Want to learn AutoCAD from scratch or level up your skills fast? I am Syed Zafar Ali, CAD and BIM specialist, and I just released my AutoCAD complete notes. Let me show you everything inside. I have trained hundreds of students and professionals as an AutoCAD instructor. These notes are built from years of real project experience. Every command has step-by-step instructions, a pro tip, and a real-world use case. The book has 9 chapters covering everything you need. A full chapter on layers, covering how to organize, control visibility, freeze, lock, and use professional layer commands. Then dimensions, plus there is a full quick reference cheat sheet at the back with every command on one page. My channel Global CAD Expert already has a full library of AutoCAD tips and tricks videos. These notes are the perfect companion to those videos. Watch a tip on the channel, then use the notes as your detailed reference. The playlist link is in the description. The notes come in PDF format, so you can use them on any device or print them out. The download link is right below in the description. Grab your copy and start mastering AutoCAD today. If this helped you, like and subscribe to Global CAD Expert, and comment below telling me which chapter you found most useful. See you in the next one.